Shrimp Noodle Stir Fry. Ingredients: 8 ounces egg noodles, 2 teaspoons cornstarch dissolved in 2 tablespoons of water, 1 cup chicken or vegetable broth, cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons cooking wine, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce, 2 tablespoons peanut, vegetable or canola oil, 1 tablespoon finely minced garlic, 1 tablespoon finely minced ginger, 2 pounds shelled and deveined jumbo 21-25 count shrimp, 3 tablespoons sliced chives. Directions: bring about 6 cups of water to a boil in a saucepan. Place the noodles in a large bowl, pour the water over, use tongs or a fork to move the noodles about, stirring every minute or so, until they are quite pliable but not soft. Drain the noodles and rinse them with cold water. Meanwhile, in a container, combine the cornstarch in water with the broth, soy sauce, sherry, sugar, and chili garlic sauce. Cover, and shake to combine well. Heat the oil in a wok, and add the garlic, ginger, and shrimp. Stir fry for 2 minutes, until the shrimp are mostly pink on the outside, then add the soaked rice noodles and toss to combine. Pour in the sauce, shaking it once more right before pouring in, and toss the shrimp and noodles occasionally as the sauce comes to a simmer and thickens, and the shrimp are cooked, about 3 minutes. Serve hot, with chives on top.